you want. They said you can choose all. This one nice. They have macaroni. But I like this one. Just only the normal salad. They have also the pepperoni. Is if pepperoni only, they have medium 2 dinar. But just only one piece. Like this. They have also promotion with that, but single toppings. They say like that. This is the sauce. All the toppings. Like that. Ayan, nandiyan sa taas yung ano nila. Yun yung sinasabi ko na 2 dinar. Look at that. See? That is the 2 dinar, you know? But it's good, the one promotion is 2-piece medium is just only 3.5. And for their salad, is small one is 1 dinar 7.50.
Thank you.
You want to check over the case.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Dito tayo sa bilihan ng pizza.